Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Riya Study Circle. Today I am going to explain about 10th class maths chapter number 2 sets exercise 2.1. In last video I explained bit number 3 and 4 in exercise 2.1. So today I am going to explain about 5th bit and 6th bit in exercise 2.1. 5th bit, write the following sets in roster form. So here they gave in set builder form, so we can transfer it into roster form. First one, b equal to x such that x is a natural number smaller than 6. It is very simple. Solution for this problem is b equal to the set of, here x is a natural number smaller than 6. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are natural numbers and these are the smaller than 6, and the elements are enlisted and they are separated with commas and they enclosed with set bracket. So it is in the form of roster form. Next problem is c equal to the set of x such that x is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digits is 8. Solution for this problem is, here x is a 2-digit natural number. That means it is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digits is 8. For example, x plus y equal to 8. The sum of two digits is 8. Let's see what are they. 17. 1 plus 7 is 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. 5 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 7 plus 1 and 8 plus 0. If we take here 0, 8, 0 plus 8 is 8, but it is not a 2-digit number, so it is not in the set. So all these are the natural numbers. So let's write the roster form. C equal to the set of 17, 26, 35, 44, 53, 62, 71 and 80. This is the roster form. Next, third one, d equal to x such that x is a prime number which is divisor of 60. It is very simple. We all know that prime number and divisor of 60 is the set of 5, 3. That's it. Next, fourth one, e equal to x such that x is an alphabet in better. Solution for this is e equal to the set of, the elements in better are b, t, t, e, r. But I explained in previous videos, in roster form the elements are not repeated. So here b, e, t, r. This is the roster form. If we write b, e, t, t, e, r, it is not roster form because here t and e are repeated elements. So this is not the roster form. So the roster form of the better word is BETR. Next, sixth one, write the following sets in the set builder form. In fifth bit they gave set builder form and we transferred it into roster form. In sixth bit they gave roster form and we will transfer into set builder form. Let's see first problem. 3, 6, 9, 12. 3, 6, 9, 12. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, and 3 4s are 12. So here the hint is all these are multiples of 3 and less than 13. So solution for this is A equal to the set of x such that x is multiple of 3 and less than 13. We don't have after 12 multiples of 3. That means it is less than 13 and multiples of 3. Next one is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Solution for this is, first all these are the multiples of 2. 2 power 1, 2. 2 squares are 2 2s are 4. 2 power 3, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 2 power 4, 8 2s are 16. 2 power 5, 16 2s are 32. So the set builder form is B equal to the set of x such that x equal to 2 power a, where a belongs to natural numbers and a is less than 6. The highest power here is 5. 2 power 5 is 32. So B equal to the set of x such that x equal to 2 power a, where a belongs to natural numbers, a less than 6. All these are the less than 6. Next one is third one, 5, 25, 125, 625. Solution for this is also like same above problem, but here all these are multiples of 5. Let's see. 5 power 1 equal to 5. 5 squares are 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 cube is 125. 5 power 4 is 625. So from this we can easily write C equal to the set of x such that x equal to 5 power a, where a belongs to natural numbers and a is less than 5. Here the highest power is 4. So it is less than 5. C equal to the set of x such that x equal to 5 power a belongs to natural numbers, a less than 5. Next final one is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, so on 100. Let's see here all squares of natural numbers. 1 square equal to 1, 2 square equal to 4, 3 square equal to 3 3s are 9, 4 square equal to 4 4s are 16, 5 square equal to 5 5s are 25, so on. This one is 10 square, 10 10s are 100. So this one is all square numbers. So solution for this problem is D equal to the set of x such that x is a square number and x is less than and equal to 10, where x belongs to natural numbers. D equal to the set of x such that x is a square number and x is less than or equal to 10, where x belongs to natural numbers. If you like, try these problems as I explained in this video. If you have any doubts, then comment below. I will definitely explain in my next video. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.